Okay, you want your egg whites to look like this, firm, and before we add the sugar syrup. Now I'm going to whip the mixture and add the sugar syrup while I'm whipping it until we have a nice stiff meringue. Okay. If it's splattering for you, you can take a trash bag or a towel and lay it over the machine and whip it until it gets stiff enough so that it's not splattering. Okay, our meringue has been beating for about 10 minutes. It's good and stiff. There you go. You have some nice peaks there. And we're going to transfer this to a very large bowl. It's important to use a very large bowl because we're going to be folding in a lot of whipped cream and you need lots of room to work, and you don't want a small bowl that's going to beat out the air out of our mousse. So we'll just transfer that into this nice large bowl, and then we'll clean this and we'll whip up our whipped cream.